In this review video, I will tell you about 3 types of motherboard problems that are faced by Poco X5 Pro users, especially after installing the new software updates. The 108 megapixel main camera and Snapdragon 778G processor are the main attractions of Poco X5 Pro. But many people are afraid whether the Poco X5 Pro will break easily. This issue will never happen to 99% of people. But instead, what some people could experience are some problems because of motherboard issues. After talking about these 3 issues, I will tell you the solution what you have to do if you are having any of these issues. The first motherboard problem experienced by a few Poco X5 Pro users is the bootloop issue. This happens especially after installing a new software update and happens because of any problem with the bootloader on the motherboard or maybe because of a corrupted file system. As this bootloop problem have only happened to a very few Poco X5 Pro users, everyone don't have to be afraid of this. The second motherboard issue is the display issue in which there are horizontal lines on the phone screen. This seems to be happening because of a connector issue. The connector that is connecting the motherboard to display is having some kind of small displacement. If the connector is not connected properly from the factory side, a small impact even when you throw your phone to your bed can cause this issue. Like the bootloop issue, this is only possible in a few number of phones because of manufacturing defect. This third motherboard issue seems to be a problem with the display driver and the 778G processor itself. This video was shared by the affected user whose display turned like this. Even though the total display is in white color, some functions of the buttons are working. Fortunately, Poco Service Center gave a free replacement to this particular phone user. So coming to the question of how these motherboard issues can be avoided, technically as these issues happen at random, you cannot avoid them. So far, the only solution is to go to Service Center and get a free replacement if the phone is within replacement period, or you can claim your warranty and get a free repair. Even though the phone is having some issues, I will recommend Poco X5 Pro to people who are getting it for around 15 to 16k rupees. Feel free to mention your thoughts in the comment section. Watch this video if you are looking to buy a best phone under 20,000 rupees.